informal and formal greetings. Let's start with informal greetings. Here's how you can say hello. Number 1, hello, a universal greeting that works for every conversation. Number 2, hi, a neutral and friendly greeting. Number 3, hey, an informal and relaxed greeting. Number 4, greetings. This is quite formal and rare these days but could be used humorously among friends. Number 5, howdy, a casual greeting that's not commonly used but can add some flavor to your English. Formal greetings. For a more formal way to greet someone, use the model good plus time of day. Okay, number 1, good morning, reserved for any time before noon. Number 2, good afternoon, typically used between noon and 5 to 6 p.m. Number 3, good evening, any time after 6 p.m. So guys, like and subscribe for more such videos.